SS1 getting some work done. Getting the black bow ties. It's gonna add extra 5 horsepower. So you can beat me, right? But we're just doing a little plasti dip job on the 1LE. And we did arches and it turned out really good, so I'll update you guys on the process. Alright, and this is the fun part when you do plasti dip. Basically, what you want to do when you're doing emblems, you're gonna form a square around the whole perimeter. Look, you gotta get that off. Don't do what we did, because we gotta get that off ASAP. Anyways, let's take the newspaper off. How's it look? And then we peel off the chrome.
Yep.
So this is the finished product. You know, Alex SVT did an amazing job. So this one could have turned out a little bit better, but I mean, it looks really good. I mean, we did it in less than an hour. And, I mean, if you guys have a Camaro and you guys don't like the orange or the yellow bow tie, then you can do it pretty easy for the most part. Just make sure you mask off all the areas and then you should be straight. Plasti dip is really simple. Once you get used to it, it's like second nature. So we might redo this one. So the Cobra actually has 2 sets of meats coming soon. These are actually they're the same tires that are on the Rovos right now. These have a lot of meat on them compared to those. They're like completely shot and there's no tread left, but these are brand new and they're just gonna be my daily set because I'm not trying to waste like $700 on Toyo Proxies. That's like stupid expensive. So with that being said, there's going to be another set coming this week, and then we'll be hooking and booking, and we can get Camaros like almonds and with the new black bow tie. That actually looks really good right there, not gonna lie. But we'll see you guys at the shop. I gotta get it mounted. 5-0? 5-0? That's just nice. That's 4th.
Yeah, I was trying to.
Were you trying to go 3rd? No, don't go to 5th. You're too slow to go to 5th.
That's why I was like.
Just stay in 4th for now.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, you're just giving it too early. Go to 2nd. Roll into it because it spins.
Huh?
It spins. Straight. Wait for it to straight out. Roll into it. It spins bad. Tires ready to go. Just the rears, and then an alignment if possible.
I don't know if that's gonna go up on my rack.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Hold on.
Okay.
It's gonna hit the middle.
The middle, but okay.
Yeah.
You know a place that could like maybe align in it?
The thing is, it'll go up, no problem, but
The middle hits, yeah, it sits lower.
Yeah. The cross member and then the
I got you. Yeah, I just need then just the tires mounted and dismounted, and then yeah, you want to grab them? Yeah. What's up, guys? So they told us that the car was too low to get aligned, so now that kind of sucks because I'm paying $64 to get my tires mounted, dismounted, and balanced. Take the old ones off, but we're gonna find something to eat because we're stupid hungry. Ugly. You saw him like 2 times. But we're gonna get something to eat right now. We'll see you guys in a little bit. What? Look what I have to do to put these on, okay? I have to shave this down. I just bought, see this thing right here? These toe links? I had to buy upgraded one. I had to buy different ones. So this thing right here, I bought a new one of those. I have to grind this down. I have to get different brake lines, which I already ordered. But yeah, that's how you fit the 15s. And then you might have to shave the brake, I don't know. Hopefully they fit though. What's up, guys? So we made it to the end of the video. Now, like I said, I was doing the side skirt giveaway. I gave you guys a week to answer. So the giveaway is done, and I'm doing this the night before. So let's get on with the giveaway. So we are going to do that. So what I did was I took the link from the video in the left-hand corner, Cobra Gets New Side Skirts, and then basically I'm going to do a YouTube random comment picker. So we're going to do this in real time, so you guys know I'm not just being biased. So Control V, filter duplicate users, yes, getting YouTube comments. So 68 real comments that weren't duplicated. Start, here we go. Let's see. And the winner is Joshua Chavez. So Joshua, if you're watching this, comment on the video, hit me up on Instagram, and we'll figure out the shipping situation. I'll ship them out to you. But yeah, I'm excited. This is my first giveaway. Hopefully I can do more in the future. Shout out to everyone for entering. Joshua Chavez, you have won these Magic Drift side skirts. So hit me up. Like I said, you have 24 hours to respond. Otherwise, I will get another winner. But I'm excited. Like I said, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And it's crazy. I couldn't get the Cobra aligned, which sucks. But it is what it is. And my two-step and watt box, I got to fix that somehow. But if you guys are new to the channel, please consider like and subscribing. Share it with your friends. And yeah, I'm going to keep making more content for you guys. And this week is there's going to be some major big stuff coming soon. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace out and have a great day. I get a large Tropic Berry Sprite?
Chicken, large Sprite, a large Tropic Berry.
Yeah, that's it.
Tropic Berry, right?
Yeah.
One chicken, large Tropic Berry, and large French fries. You can get the first one that I have.
All right, thank you.
What's it come up to?
I don't know, like
279?
No, it was like 5 something.
For real?
There's the Focus again, bro.
He was driving like 2 miles an hour.